Hello, welcome to my dress rehearsal, where we focus on one aspect of etiquette at a time. We want to keep it super simple. So today we're going to focus on setting a table for a four-course meal. Every plate and every utensil has its place. So we're going to give you some tips and tricks so you can remember it all. Let's get started. I'm going to move this plate over here, and this is part of our setting. First, we have our main meal setting, our main meal plate, and that usually goes right in the middle. This little plate is our bread plate, and some places have a fancy butter knife, just like so. If you don't have a fancy butter knife, if you want to do this at home, you can just use a regular knife, okay? But for now, I'm going to leave that there. And then the basics is your water glass. So to remember, this is the basic footprint. So you're going to have your bread plate, your main meal plate, and your water glass. So BMW, that's how you can remember. Okay, the next thing is your napkin. Your napkin really doesn't have a specific location, so it can go in several places. If you go to fancy places, go to an event, sometimes they have it in all over the place, and they have them in fancy ways. But right now we're going to put it on the left-hand side of the main plate. Also on the left-hand side, I have my forks. So I'm putting down 3 forks. My first one is my appetizer fork. The second one is my main meal fork. And the third one is for dessert. Okay. The sizes, you'll see that there's different sizes. It doesn't really matter about the size. It matters about the order. So you're always going to go from outside in. Okay. Also, another way to remember that your fork goes on the left-hand side of your plate is the word fork is 4 letters and the word left is 4 letters. So that's how you're going to remember that. All right. On the right-hand side of your plate, you're going to have a knife for your main meal and a knife for your appetizer. You're also going to have a spoon for your dessert and then another spoon. In this case, we're going to have soup. So knife is 5 letters, spoon is 5 letters. So that's how you're going to remember your knife and spoon go on the right-hand side. Another fact that we need to know about etiquette is that it is for our safety, our comfort, and our health. So the knife blade is always going to be facing in. As I said, we move from outside in. So our first meal, our first course is going to be our soup. And here is our soup bowl on a plate. So you're going to use your spoon and put your utensil there, and you're finished with your soup. That is your course. The next is your appetizer. That will remain there. And you'll use these 2 utensils and places so. And when you're finished, it goes off. And now you have your fork, your main fork, and your main knife for your main meal. And when you're finished with that, guess what is next? We have dessert. And so another plate will come in for dessert. And of course, you'll use your dessert fork and spoon for that. And that is a 4-course meal. I hope I've answered most of your questions, and I hope you feel confident to set the table for a 4-course meal. And now all you have to do is practice. Thank you for listening.